Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect fried eggs on a Blackstone griddle. First, let's get our griddle ready. You'll want to preheat your griddle to a medium-low heat, aiming for about 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, spread about 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil or butter evenly across the surface. A well-prepared griddle ensures your eggs won't stick and will cook beautifully. Now that your griddle is perfectly prepped, it's time for the eggs. Carefully crack each egg directly onto the hot, oiled surface. Try to space them about 2 inches apart to give them room to cook evenly. For a classic runny yolk, cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply extend the cooking time by another minute or 2. Keep an eye on those whites. They should become opaque and set. As your eggs cook, don't forget to add some flavor. A simple pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper will enhance their taste. Once the whites are set and the yolks are to your liking, use a thin metal spatula to gently loosen each egg from the griddle surface. If you're aiming for over easy, carefully flip them and cook for just about 30 seconds more. This quick flip ensures a perfectly cooked, slightly runny yolk. And there you have it. Your perfectly fried eggs are ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer each egg from the griddle to your serving plate using your spatula. They should slide off easily thanks to our initial griddle prep. Serve them immediately alongside your favorite breakfast accompaniments, whether that's crispy bacon, a slice of avocado toast, or some fresh fruit. Enjoy your delicious, restaurant-quality fried eggs made right at home on your griddle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.